Hello, this is Claudio Sala. In this session I want to show you some basic steps that a CO administrator can do each day to check the status of the system. Before, I want to remember that it's strongly recommended to configure the email in order to get alerted by email in case of error, for example, a failure in an ETL task. The first check that we can do is, under Administration session, go in Status, and check the bot messages. Here we can see if there was fail, error, and problem in the task. The second step is go under Data Warehouse Status. Here again we can see if there is any specific alert. Here we can check the progress bar to see if there are free space, and clicking on Space Report, we can have an overview on each table spaces. Here we can understand if there is a value for estimated to saturation, and check with DBA if there is space for the next days. Also here we can check about flow, and we can see, for example, if this box is yellow or red, so if there are any queue that is increasing too much in the age. In this case, it is better contact the support team. And also here we can see the volume. If we see a negative peak in the volume, we can check again here to understand if there are queue in age, so the warehouse is in delay in processing data, or we have to understand if all the TL are running properly and are importing data. To see if there are errors in the TLs, we can go under ETL and System Task, click on ETL Task, and here we can filter, understand if there was any warning, error or failed ETL. In my case, no. But if there is, you can check the log and understand more about the error. Another interesting thing that you can do here is select by running and see if there are ETL running, and check if they are running for longer time, for example, more than 24 hours. In the case, you can take a look at the log and kill the ETL that is requiring too much. Same check can be done in System Task. Again, here we can filter for error and understand what is the error looking at the log. And again, we can see if there are any tasks that are running for a long time. Here, another important check to do is about the task, the System Task Maintenance, that is the one we had before. This run a set of maintenance tasks that is important for the status of your BCO. For example, database space manager task that delete the data that are out of aging, but create partition in advance if you have a partition database. So you have to check if this task is rendered properly and that is running each day. Another important task is the components resource checker. We have to check that it is running properly, and if it's run every 10 minutes as default. This task make check on all the components, for example the scheduler and for example the data hub, and alert you if there are any problems. One of the final check that you can do is go under workspace, take one system random, the one you want, for example I take our VMware cluster, go on the tab matrix and select one metric, for example CPU util, and you can do a quick analysis. For example, in the last 7 days. If the analysis is displayed, so the data collection is okay. If we are in a case like this one, so no data is available, you can go back here. Again, go in the tab of the metric, again select CPU utilization and click on this icon. This icon will tell you which ETL is supposed to import this metric. You can click here, go in the TL and understand the problem. In my case, for example, simply the TSCO is not scheduled. Thank you for your attention.